With the Benro Aero S6 Pro Video Tripod, you're going places. Lightweight, portable, and a cinch to set up, the Benro Aero was made for the filmmaker who can't be weighed down, supporting up to 13.2 pounds. This kit is perfect for DSLRs with rigs and long lenses. The tripod legs can be reverse folding, making it small enough to carry just about anywhere. This video tripod kit is available in both aluminum and carbon fiber and is designed for speed. Wherever you're shooting, you need gear that's easy to operate, so you're not fumbling around when it's time to shoot. Featuring an adjustable center column for even more height when you need it, its independent leg spread in 3 locking positions lets you capture lower angles with ease. By removing one of the legs and attaching it to the removable center column, this tripod easily converts into a monopod for added versatility. The integrated illuminated bubble level and leveling ball make leveling this tripod a breeze. Combine this with the twist locks, weight hook, and spiked feet, and you'll be set up and ready to shoot in moments. The S6 Pro head features metal knob construction and a magnesium alloy flat base, featuring a continual fluid drag control, coupled with a 6-step counterbalance. The head's design makes it easy to adjust the pan drag, lock the pan, adjust the tilt drag, dial in the counterbalance, and lock the tilt, all from behind the camera, so you can make adjustments while still operating the head. The telescoping pan arm is interchangeable, so it can be mounted to either side, or a second arm can be added for dual handle control. With its CNC machined quick release plate system, an included quarter 20 and 3/8-16 camera screws with built-in storage, mounting and removing of your camera has never been easier. The sliding adjustable plate with scale gives you the ability to balance your camera, while a safety lock prevents it from slipping too far. The quarter 20 threads on each side of the head allow you to mount accessories like monitors or audio recorders. When it's time to pack up and go, just throw your kit into the included carrying case and you're on your way. Check out the rest of the S Pro series heads and kits if you're looking for even more payload capacity and versatility. Lightweight, versatile, and made to go anywhere, the Benro Aero S6 Pro Kit will give you the support you need without weighing you down. What are you waiting for? Let's go.